Dyslexia. What is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a learning disorder that affects your ability to read, spell, write, and speak. How do you diagnose dyslexia? When someone sees a student struggling with reading and writing, they may decide that he or she needs to be tested. There is no single test to diagnose dyslexia. Many areas are looked at in determining if a child has dyslexia. Your child's development, educational issues and medical history, home life, there's questionnaires, vision, hearing, and brain tests, psychological testing, there's tests for reading and other academic skills. So what types of things will your child be evaluated on? Background information, intelligence, oral language skills, word recognition, decoding, spelling, reading comprehension, vocabulary knowledge are all some things that can be in your child's evaluation. How can you help your child with dyslexia? Notice your child's strengths. Celebrate every success. Set realistic goals. Don't let poor spelling stop your child. Share your own difficulties with your kids. Read aloud to your child. Work with your child's teacher. When they see you working with the teacher, then they know that you're all there together to help them. Remember, small steps can bring big improvements. Remember, it's okay to read slow. And teach them how to help themselves. What should teachers do to meet the needs of dyslexic students? Collaborate with colleagues. There are others out there that have experienced the same thing and have great advice and techniques to use. Cultivate consistency. Develop a student-centered mindset. Think about what's best for the student. Set aside time to focus on study skills and extra support. Use multiple forms of assessment. Draw on other professionals' expertise. And partner with the families of the students. Can a student with dyslexia become a successful student in school? A student who wants to take the steps to succeed can be successful in school. Here are a few tips for a student with dyslexia to be a successful student. Get organized. Don't multitask. Divide it up. Do your work in sections. Get plenty of sleep. Set a schedule. Take notes. Be sure to study. Manage your study space. Keep it from clutter. And find a study group. Ask questions when you need help. Teachers and peers and parents are there to help. That is the end of my presentation for dyslexia. Thank you.